The Wild Irish Rose. It's bright, easygoing and palatable. If it was that person, it wouldn't be that annoying guy in the pub on St Patrick's Day with a Guinness hat, claiming he's the most Irish person in the room, whilst telling Patrick and Margaret O'Leary from Sligo that's according to his ancestry test and his fifth grandfather, who was born in Kilburn. Firstly, I want to wish the Irish subscribers and viewers of this channel a great St Patrick's Day, and to everyone else who celebrates, a happy Cultural Appropriation Day. Okay, so let's move on to the rogue gallery of ingredients. The whisky, we've got an Irish brand here which is called Paddy's, which is from Cork. I love the design, which includes a map of Ireland and the four provinces: Ulster, Leinster, Munster and Connaught. And there's fresh lemon juice, grenadine, simple syrup and soda water. So let's bin off the green beer and this shitty little Guinness rip-off drinks, and let's make something proper this St Patrick's Day. Okay, let's kick off the proceedings by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml of an Irish whisky to the shaker. Add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of grenadine. And follow this up with 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of a simple syrup. Then add 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice to your shaker and shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. History wise, just how I like it, there isn't too much in any complexities, but this is a Del de Groff cocktail and it's a twist on the Jack Rose. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass. Then top this off slightly with around 1/2 ounce of soda water. Don't worry if you want a bit more, nobody's going to kill you. Garnish wise, I'm just going to add a lemon slice with a cherry and then just pop this along the side of the glass. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.